Did you know there is a buffalo farm in the Jamuna Char where 14 people work non-stop from dawn to midnight every day? In this video, you will see milking buffaloes and cows, grazing them in the forest, bathing them in the river, and taking care of them all night long. Come on, let's see the story of an unknown day in the Jamuna Char's buffalo farm, which you have never seen before. The deserted dawn of the Jamuna Char. A light red glow in the sky in the distance, and as the light of that dawn rises, the Jamuna Char slowly comes alive. The buffalo farm wakes up amidst the silence of the Char, and the long day of the 14 shepherds working there begins. This is their home, this is their life. Today, we will see a whole day in a buffalo farm from morning to night. The first task of the shepherds inside the hut is to clean up the food and dung that the buffaloes have eaten all day. The buffaloes' bodies are clean, the hut is clean, to prepare the whole hut for the new day. Some have water in their hands, some have spears in their hands. Some don't say a word, just work and more work, because that is their daily routine. A group of shepherds are preparing the new day's food. Powdered husks, chaff, and grass are mixed together to make buffalo food. Separate food arrangements are made for buffaloes, and separate food arrangements for cows. Then the most important task of the day begins: milking. As soon as the sunlight gets a little stronger, they prepare to milk. First, the buffaloes are made to stand in place. On one side, large buffaloes are standing in a row. On the other side, the cows are also ready. Then, the milking begins. The shepherds are milking milk with skillful hands. The sound of hot milk. The morning bustle inside the hut, a different feeling altogether. This is the most important work of their day. This is their daily income, their hope of life. When the milking is over, the buffaloes and cows are fed a mixture of husk plus grass. The prepared food is given to each buffalo and cow by mixing the powdered husk and straw together. The buffaloes and cows are standing calmly and eating. The shepherds are standing next to them, a mixture of love, responsibility, and habit. When the buffaloes are finished eating, it is the shepherds' turn to eat themselves. They prepare the food themselves. Their food is very simple: rice, potato porridge, lentils, and sometimes small fish. After eating, everyone rests for a while. The buffaloes and cows also rest. The river breeze, the green pastures, the calm buffaloes in front, a strangely peaceful scene. Then, the traders cross the river and bring boats to buy milk. The shepherds put the milk drums on the boats. It is a scene of the old transactions of rural Bengal. This is where they earn their income. After the milk sale is over, the most difficult task of the day begins: taking the buffaloes to the forest. The drone shot looks amazing. A row of black buffaloes in the green forest. In the hot sun, the shepherds take the buffaloes to graze in both directions. As soon as they reach the forest, the buffaloes start eating grass. A vast char ahead. The buffaloes are walking along the riverbank while eating grass. This is the happiest time for the buffaloes to eat, rest by the water, and the shepherds sit at a distance and look after them. After eating grass, the buffaloes are brought to the riverside towards Tati. Now, the buffaloes slowly enter the water to bathe. The sound of splashing in the water sparkling in the sunlight. The scene is eye-catching. The buffaloes and cows happily soak their bodies in the water. The shepherds rub them with towels and wash them. The sound of splashing water, the call of the buffaloes, and the waves of the Jamuna, a different kind of peace. Again, many times the shepherds get angry with the buffaloes and then love them. This relationship between humans and animals is as simple as a river. after bathing, the buffaloes and cows are fed grass in the field for a while. The cold wind and the river water next to them, this is their second feeding time. When the sun sets, the shepherd's busyness increases again. The buffaloes are brought back to the stable in long rows. Where the buffaloes and cows spend the night. The shepherds prepare for their sleep, changing the grass, watering, tying ropes, arranging food, ensuring security. Gradually, the whole air becomes quiet. The buffaloes and cows lie down peacefully, and darkness slowly descends over the Char. Then, the shepherds begin their preparations for the night again. The shepherds cook together. Even though it is a simple meal, this is the last piece of the day for them. Some are cleaning the pots, others are chopping wood and lighting the stove. Along with this cooking, they tell stories and rumors. On a cold night, the fire in the stove warms the surroundings. The rice is cooked. After cooking, everyone eats the rice and the rest of the food is saved for the next morning. Then they slowly fall asleep. The wind of the river, the sounds of the distant Char, all together the last moments of the day. Thus, day after day, their lives continue to revolve on the same cycle: work, hard work, responsibility, and peace. The life of this sweltering Jamuna Char, a real story built on the sweat, labor, and love of the Char people. If you like this real-life story, then subscribe to our Life Bangla channel. Stay tuned for new videos. See you again in the next video. Stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.